Bloody hell. Now we can push back, we'll see how the volume is. But yeah, it was only 30 degrees Celsius today, so it wasn't too hot. Temperature for summer around here. We've had some bloody 37 and 35 days, which have just been dreadful, eh? Out of Grafton. Heading to Lawrence. I think we go through a little town first, though. Nice countryside road. Been driving on this road for a decade, probably more. Sometimes used to come this way when I went to school. But there was a ferry close to where I live. They closed down only recently, in the last 2 years or so. Moon's out already. It's about halfway in the sky. Man, this guy is really just motoring, isn't he? Yeah, you get that on the back roads. Just motor along. Probably about halfway through the battery's left, so um, like and subscribe and all that if you're still watching. I feel like I've got to do that now that I've spent bloody lots of money on a bloody pack tour. Try and get bloody part of the YouTube program or whatever they do. If I can get that 0.00044 cents on the view or something like that. Who knows? Might even get $5 a month. Oh well, I just gotta drive like a madman and crash my bike, then I'll get lots of views. But I won't do that because I like this bike. Bike's name, and I named her Grace. She's so graceful. She's going 100 k's, and bloody people are still catching up to me. Yeah, the speedo on the bike is off. So whatever's on the speedo isn't actually what I'm doing. I won't tell you what the real number is in case someone wants to come and find me. I wonder if you can film yourself speeding, and then the police will come along later and be like, no, no, no. that was naughty of ya. Retroactively do that. Bloody more dangerous people than me to go after. Just on occasionally, bloody speed back roads, no one around. I'll just attach the GoPro to the front of the bike, or I'll work out how to blur the fucking speedo. I'll pull my finger out and bloody learn how to fucking code, or not code, edit